Hello everyone, this printer is Brother MFC-J5740DW. I'm going to show you how to print photo from your mobile phone with this printer. We're going to print 4x6 photo paper, and also we're going to print A3 photo paper. First of all, the paper we have here is A3. To load photo paper, you need to make sure the smooth part or glossy part need to face you. The rough part need to be at the back. So the paper we have here is A3 paper. Then to print photo from your mobile phone, go to My Files, then go to Images, then scroll down from the list and select the photo you want. So this is the photo we want to print out. Then select the three dots, select print. Then from the list, you need to scroll down and look for Brother MFC-J5740DW. Then select on it. Then the next thing to do is you need to select the paper, scroll down to select the paper size, then select ISO A3. Color, we want to print this color. Double-sided is none. Orientation is portrait. More option. Then you select media type, photo glossy paper. Then go back and high quality. Then you select print. Put the following paper in the MP3 and start A3 glossy. Select restart printing or change the tray, restart printing. Here we go. You can see what it looks like. Brilliant. This is the photo we printed out. You can see how smooth and shiny it is. So this is how to print A3 paper from this printer. Printed out A3 paper with the printer. Another way to print A3 paper is for you to use Brother Mobile Connect app. So if you connect this printer and your mobile device using Brother Mobile Connect app, so open Brother Mobile Connect app, then you select print photo, then it will take you and show you all the photos on your phone. So you select particular one, you can go to images on your phone, then select pictures. You go to images, select cameras or pictures. If you select camera or select picture, you attach the image to Brother Mobile Connect app. Then you go to the settings and change the paper to A3. And also how many copies, quality, you can select quality, tray option, automatic, or you select MP3, which means multi-paper type. And media type, select glossy paper. Then you go back, you wait to preview the photo. Then you select print. Once you select the print, it will print out the paper. Select print. Then it will ask you the following paper. The reason it's showing us this is you can change this tray. If you go to the setting, then you select A3 glossy paper. But if you load correct paper, you can actually override it and select restart printing. So it will print from the paper you have on the rear paper tray. So you can see it's taking the A3 paper. If you change your mind, you can cancel it from the screen. You just need to select this button, tap on the cancel icon for you to cancel it. This is the photo we printed out. You can see how smooth and shiny it is. A3. Another thing I want to show you is how to load 4x6 photo paper. The same procedure. You take your 4x6 photo paper, make sure the smooth part. So this is 4x6 photo paper. Go at the back, remove A3. This is 4x6. Make sure the smooth part face up. Then you go at the back, then adjust. It will show you photo 4x6. So the smooth part need to be up, facing you. The rough part need to be at the back. The same procedure, and it will show you MP3 ready. Then you select OK. MP3 size, you scroll down to change it. 10 by 15 centimeter is 4x6. We show you place your selected paper size in the MP3 in a portrait orientation. Then you select OK. Paper type, scroll down to select other glossy. Then you select save setting. So this is how to load 4x6 photo paper. The same procedure how we printed out with A3 is what you need to do. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.